everyone, I am Chiccorra, and this is Adrian Danila, and we're so excited to be headed to the North Carolina Apartment Association. Yay! We're so excited to be hosting a dynamic session that is all about transforming the way that maintenance teams work together in today's digital world.
That's right. The session is called From Wrenches to Wi-Fi, Making Tech Your New Tool Belt. And if you're ready to level up your maintenance game, the session is just right for you.
Awesome. So I want you to think about it. How much has technology really changed the way that we work? I mean, from apps to smart devices, troubleshooting tools, it's like all the things, right? And it makes life easier. But you know what? We have to embrace it. We have to embrace the new technology. And it feels a little intimidating sometimes. Am I right, Adrian?
Absolutely, but that's where we come in. We'll guide you through practical, hands-on strategies to help you work smarter, not harder. You'll walk away with the confidence to tackle tech head on. And even better, you'll see how embracing these tools can advance your career.
So let's embrace the future together. So our learning objectives for this session will be to empower maintenance staff to embrace technology, enhancing their job performance and advancing their careers in the process. We're going to introduce maintenance staff to essential apps and digital tools that can streamline their work. And last but not least, learn tips and tricks for incorporating tech into daily maintenance routines. So from troubleshooting smart devices to navigating maintenance apps, Adrian, what are we going to do?
We will cover it all, giving you the skills to stay ahead of the curve in today's tech-driven world.
Yes, we're going to make this session so interactive and fun. So come ready to ask questions, share experiences, and learn how to master those new tools.
You don't want to miss this session. Let's ditch the old ways and embrace the future together.
So we'll see you in North Carolina at the AANC's Connected Conference. Be sure to join us for From Wrenches to Wi-Fi, making tech your new tool belt.
See you all there.